Last year, grocery purchase worth rupees 2000 filled your basket completely. This year, it only fills half. Do you know the reason why? Hi everyone, this is me Dr. Sagarika, and in this video, I'm going to talk about why you still feel broke even after a salary hike. That's nominal GDP versus real GDP. Let's get started. First thing to understand here is that whenever we talk about nominal GDP, we always take into account without calculating for any inflation. That is, nominal GDP deals with the total income generated without adjusting for inflation. Now let's consider an example. Suppose you are working in an MNC wherein last year in the financial year 2025 you were on a salary of, let's say, rupees 50,000 per month. Now you got a hike in FY 2026, so your salary increased from 50,000 rupees to 60,000. So basically you got a hike, right? Now, but simultaneously in the market inflation is also going on. So the prices of the commodity increased by 20%. Now in the beginning of this video, I was talking about the grocery item. So let's consider a basic example from there to understand what's nominal and real GDP. Now let's say a packet to kg of rice was costing you rupees 50 last year, that's in FY 2025. So 20 kg packet of rice you bought last year was equated with amount rupees 1000. Now this year same grocery purchase was costing you 1200 because price of rice per packet increased from rupees 50 to 60. So now when we talk about the nominal GDP, you can see here that you will say price increased from 1000 rupees to 1200. So GDP increased from 1000 to 1200. But since economy did not produce any extra, that is the packet kg of rice 20 was fixed. So here it is not showing the actual growth of the economy. So that is the only reason why nominal GDP can sometimes be misleading. Now let's understand the real GDP. See, real GDP is always calculated at the base year price, that is the current market price which is going on, and it is adjusted for inflation. So inflation is definitely taken into consideration when we talk about the real GDP. Now let's consider the same example. Suppose last year you bought 20 packet of rice for around 1000. This year it was costing you 1200. So when we talk about the real GDP, you will say that the base year price was since 50. So GDP was remaining at rupees 1000 only. That is, it remains at 1000, not 1200. Why? Because 1200 was the nominal GDP which is calculated. It was without inflation. This is adjusted for inflation. So when we talk about the comparison between the financial year and when we want to see the actual data, always we take into consideration the real GDP, not the nominal GDP. Hope this video was useful. See you in next one. Good luck. Bye.